This is how you beat AI as a small business. Why is it every time that we see ads from McDonald's, from Coke, the number one thing that we're always exposed to is there's so much passion and craft put into this. We didn't sleep for weeks typing prompts. And then they'll fake things. They'll start like pretending like they drew things and that like they design things and then have a Photoshop thing with just one layer. I'm a small business owner too, and I do everything myself. We have our own factory. We created the first high protein ramen. I think one of the biggest misconceptions that feeds into this whole AI thing is that there is some kind of objectivity when it comes to art, when it comes to creation. There's a good and there's a bad and there's a sliding scale. No, there isn't. The thing with AI, they skip the steps. When they're creating these AI generations, the problem is they're not focusing on the details. If you've had a manager that gets brought in and has never done anything that you're doing and they don't understand any of the details, why there are dependencies, why this is not a good idea, that's not a good idea, and they keep going and do it this way, that's exactly the same thing. Let me ask you a question. Would you rather get a gift from someone who has spent a lot of time thinking about what you like, who you are, all the details about who you are as a person? Or would you rather get a gift card to some store that you never use? If you want to be AI, don't try to compete like it's objective. Don't feed into the idea that the AI is somehow making objectively better things, because it's not. It's all subjective, and anyone who doesn't understand that, that's why they're turning to AI. Because they want to believe that there is this easy graded scale of art, that you can get an A+ in artwork. There's an A+ in writing something that connects with other people. And that's also why with all these videos and ads that we do, I write them, I direct them, I act in them. Eventually, I'm not going to be able to do that anymore. But for now, while I can, I learn. I do those things. That's how we make things that resonate with people, that make people feel things, that make people remember. Even if it's something like a commercial for my business, that's something I want to put effort into. That's something I want to show that I care. And so if you're a small business or creator and you're feeling down because of all of this AI stuff, put your heart into it. Show your pain, show your struggles. Show that humanity and how you created it, step by step, your work in process. Show your improvement. Show all of the little things and details that make it human. Because at the end of the day, we're not here to support machines. We're here to support other people. We support small businesses and we support writers and creators and streamers and illustrators and animators and everything else under the sun because they're people. Because they create things that connect with people. That's how you beat AI.